In Karnataka, Udupi, Kundapura, Baindur, total 40-acre well-maintaining agri-farm with arecanut, coconut, in 7-acre cashew nut, in 8-acre bamboo, in 11-acre rubber and pepper, teakwood, jackfruit, mango, many other fruits plants, vegetable cultivation, 3,500 square feet farmhouse, stream, waterfalls, 5 pond, 2 borewell, plenty of water, cow farm, go down, smoke house, rubber machine, labor house, total 13 CR asking, slightly negotiable. Thank you.